Depo Provera lawsuit. Birth control linked to tumor risk. Depo Provera, an injectable contraceptive produced by Pfizer Inc., is at the heart of numerous lawsuits due to concerns about its safety. The primary allegations claim that Depo Provera increases the risk of brain tumors, specifically meningiomas, in women who use the contraceptive. This video will provide an overview of the Depo Provera lawsuit, explore new research that links Depo Provera to an increased risk of brain tumors, and discuss eligibility criteria for joining the Depo Provera lawsuits. The most recent Depo Provera legal claims include various allegations against Pfizer. The current Depo Provera lawsuits primarily claim that Pfizer failed to adequately warn Depo Provera users and healthcare providers about the increased risk of developing brain tumors, particularly meningiomas, associated with long-term use of Depo Provera. The company knew or should have known about these risks, but did not conduct sufficient research or provide proper warnings. Patients suffered serious health complications, including brain tumors, as a result of using Depo Provera without being fully informed of the risks. Pfizer may have been negligent in the design, testing, and marketing of Depo Provera. Depo Provera is an injectable birth control method that uses medroxyprogesterone acetate, a man-made version of the hormone progesterone. The shot is typically administered every 12 weeks and works by preventing ovulation, thickening cervical mucus to block sperm, thinning the uterine lining to prevent implantation. Depo Provera is prescribed to patients for a variety of use cases. Of these use cases, Depo Provera is most commonly used for contraception, birth control, treatment of endometriosis-associated pain, management of abnormal uterine bleeding. While Depo Provera is an effective contraceptive, it has been associated with several side effects and potential health risks. Side effects and potential health risks linked to Depo Provera include, but are not limited to, bone density loss, weight gain, irregular menstrual bleeding, headaches, mood changes, decreased libido, delayed return to fertility, possible increased risk of breast cancer. An important development in Depo Provera research came from a March 2024 study published in the British medical journal BMJ. Key findings include women using medroxyprogesterone acetate, Depo Provera, for more than a year had a 5.6-fold higher risk of developing intracranial meningioma. The study examined data from 18,061 women who had surgery for meningioma between 2009 and 2018. Although 92.3% of these meningiomas were benign, they can still lead to serious complications by impacting surrounding brain tissue, nerves, and blood vessels. 2 additional progestogen-based medications, medrogestone and promegestone, were likewise linked to a higher risk of meningioma, with increases of 4.1-fold and 2.7-fold, respectively. The authors determined that extended use of medrogestone, medroxyprogesterone acetate, and promegestone raised the risk of developing intracranial meningioma. As a result of these findings, attorneys have begun taking legal action on behalf of individuals who used Depo Provera and subsequently developed intracranial meningioma. If you or a loved one developed a brain tumor after taking Depo Provera, contact TruLaw via the chatbot on our website to find out if you qualify for the lawsuit immediately. The use of Depo Provera has been associated with the development of intracranial meningiomas, which are tumors that arise from the meninges, the protective layers around the brain and spinal cord. Although typically benign, these tumors can cause significant health problems, particularly when they grow large enough to put pressure on brain structures. The risk increases with prolonged use of Depo Provera, particularly when used for over 12 months. Here is a breakdown of the specific types of tumors and complications associated with long-term use of Depo Provera. Intracranial meningiomas. These tumors account for approximately 40% of all brain tumors and can cause serious symptoms like headaches, vision disturbances, seizures, and even personality changes. Surgical removal is often required. Benign but impactful tumors, while meningiomas are not cancerous, they can still pose significant risks due to their potential size and location in the brain. These tumors may compress nearby structures, causing neurological complications. Neurological symptoms. Patients using Depo Provera for long durations have reported neurological symptoms, including memory problems, muscle weakness, and altered sensory perception. To qualify for a Depo Provera lawsuit, potential claimants must meet specific requirements that establish a connection between their use of the medication and their health condition. To be eligible for a Depo Provera lawsuit, you generally must meet the following criteria. Depo Provera usage. You must have used brand name Depo Provera, Depo Subkey Provera 104, or an authorized generic version of medroxyprogesterone acetate. Frequency. You must have received at least 2 injections of Depo Provera or its authorized generic version. Timing. You must have used Depo Provera or its authorized generic version anytime after 1992. Diagnosis. You must have been diagnosed with a meningioma, another type of brain tumor, or suffered neurological symptoms after using Depo Provera. Causation. The brain tumor diagnosis or neurological symptoms must have occurred after starting Depo Provera use. This criteria is strictly intended to give you an idea of factors that may be weighed when determining your eligibility for a Depo Provera lawsuit. This should not be taken as a guarantee that you will qualify to file a claim or as legal advice. Visit TruLaw.com and use the chatbot on our website to find out if you qualify for the Depo Provera lawsuit right now. Damages refer to the calculations attached to the physical, emotional, and financial burdens caused by the drug's harmful side effects. When filing a claim, you and your lawyer will work together to identify the specific damages you may be entitled to pursue and calculate compensation. Potential types of damages in a Depo Provera lawsuit may include medical expenses, lost wages, pain and suffering, loss of quality of life, disability or permanent impairment, future care costs, punitive damages. Calculating total potential damages is a complex process, but an experienced attorney will be able to assist you in calculating the total losses, tangible and intangible, that you suffered as a result of your injury. If you or someone you love has been affected by serious side effects from Depo Provera, reach out today for a free consultation. You can use the chatbot on our website, TruLaw.com, to find out if you qualify for the Depo Provera lawsuit immediately. TruLaw is actively accepting new clients in the Depo Provera lawsuit.